Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Woo! And today, guys, we're here with IShowSpeed and Cenat with, what's the song name? Dogs, yeah. Kai and Speed with dogs. So, if you don't know who Speed is, you're living under a rock. Kai is arguably one of the most successful streamers on Twitch. So Kai is doing his thing and IShowSpeed is doing his thing. So big up the two brothers them that's doing their thing. I like to see that, you know what I mean? So let's jump in this one and hear what these two guys are saying. They're both crazy, but they're likable. So let's go.
Hey yo, Cash, rock out, man. Retro.
So this is a sample from the original. I can't remember who sing. It's some black guys that sing the original who let the dogs out. So I'm hoping that these guys do get some benefit from them using the samples still. So let's go. These two are talented. These two are marketing genius. These two fuckers are marketing genius, bro. Yo, the fact that they have dogs in the video, and you know people love dogs already, right? This video is, I don't know.
Hey yo, Cash, rock out, man. Retro.
He's talented. He's talented.
Got her dizzy. Oh my, I'm a man when it come to this. I was 16 with the gutter trick, going 19 on a boss tit. Pour water clean on that false water. I'm a demon man, never seen a man. I'ma eat it up like a dinner man. Got a pitbull, I'm a letter man. Put a pastel on my cellophane. I'm a dog, man, I'm a bird. No stepping out when I start. That speed gain in my heart, little boy, don't come around on my part.
Yo, I just noticed something. This guy loves Cristiano Ronaldo so much. Look what he's wearing.
I'm a letter man, put a pastel on my cellophane. I'm a dog, man, I'm a bird. No stepping out when I start. That speed gain in my...
Look what he's wearing. He loves Cristiano Ronaldo so much. Look what he's wearing. Yo, this guy don't ramp, bro. Guy, come on.
ISB re-raising this shit. 2 goals, 1 try, that's a hit. Come out, you better catch us a flick. Too easy, we doing this shit. Huh? What the fuck do you mean? Come with this 2-4 plus no beam. She think I'm a stack about the stacks in my jeans. Ball all white like Mr. Clean. Huh? Who let the dogs out? By any means, I'ma go the fast route. We get the bags and throw the trash out. Dump 3 mags and throw the flash out. I got ice in my veins, 30 degrees and I'm putting in pain. Minding my business, staying in my lane. Getting the key and I go to the cage.
Yeah. Let's go back to Kai verse again. Now hold on.
ISB re-raising this shit. 2 goals, 1 try, that's a hit. Come out, you better catch us a flick. Too easy, we doing this shit. Huh? What the fuck do you mean? Come with this 2-4 plus no beam. She think I'm a stack about the stacks in my jeans. Ball all white like Mr. Clean. Huh? Who let the dogs out?
Yeah.
By any means, I'ma go the fast route. We get the bags and throw the trash out. Dump 3 mags and throw the flash out.
On to Speed, get the bags and throw the trash out. Yo.
About the stacks in my jeans. Ball all white like Mr. Clean. Huh? Who let the dogs out? By any means, I'ma go the fast route. We get the bags and throw the trash out. Dump 3 mags and throw the flash out. I got ice in my veins, 30 degrees and I'm putting in pain.
I got ice in my veins, 30 degrees. And you know what I said, 30? I said 30 degrees.
Who let the dogs out? By any means, I'ma go the fast route. We get the bags and throw the trash out. Dump 3 mags and throw the flash out. I got ice in my veins, 30 degrees and I'm putting in pain. Minding my business, staying in my lane. Getting the key and I go to the cage and ask.
Who let the dogs out?
Who let the dogs
Yo, this is fucking crazy, yo. yo, big up these two brothers, man. They are doing their thing, and I am proud of them. I can openly say, yo, it's good to see these guys actually linking. Like not just anyone, not just any link. It's a genuine link. You get me? Big up for a positive song. We don't see no naked girls. We don't see no guns, no drugs, no money flashing. But lots of fun, lots of dancing and fun. Like it's good. It's good to see that energy there. You see me? And this video is about to break the internet, bro. Like seriously. When I'm doing this reaction, it's been out for 28 minutes and it's already have 247,000 people watch this video already. So, bro, Kai, it's good to see you growing, bro. And venturing out in different things. You're growing right in front of our eyes. We see Speed done it, so it's good that you've taken on that journey as well and get out of your comfort zone of streaming and actually putting out music, fun music at that too. So yeah, who let the dogs out? Rough. Yo, this man, we like it, guys. If you enjoy that reaction and I want to see more from you, G, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new, and I will definitely see you in the next one, man. Big up yourself, big up Speed, big up Kai. Up top.